CARFAX One owner, excellent condition. Heated mirrors, CD player, dual zone AC, bed liner, alloy wheels, 4-wheel drive. New car test drive.com explains the Avalanche feels smooth, quiet, and tight. 4-star passenger front crash rating. Key features include heated mirrors, 4-wheel drive, CD player, aluminum wheels, dual zone AC, privacy glass, keyless entry, electrochromic rearview mirror, bed liner, 4-wheel anti-lock brake system. Avalanche with dark gray metallic exterior and dark charcoal interior features a 8-cylinder engine with 295 HP at 5,200 RPM. Serviced here, non-smoker vehicle, fresh trade-in. Experts conclude, the key to its multi-purpose nature is the innovative Mi Gates system, that allows the partition between the cab and the truck bed to be completely